Okay guys, I already primed my eyelids using my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just gonna start with this brown color right here, and I'm gonna gently build it up into my crease and go a little bit higher past my crease. Next, I'm taking this pink shade right here and apply it on my crease on top of the brown color. Now, I'm taking this soft peachy pink color and apply it on my crease on top of the pink color and blend it. Now, I'm taking this reddish pink shade and apply it on top of the peachy pink color and blend it. Next, I'm taking this purple color and apply it on my crease on top of the reddish pink color and blend it. And I'm also focusing on the outer corner of my lids. Now, I'm taking this purplish blue color and apply it on my crease on top of the purple color and blend it. Next, I'm taking my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn and use it to cut my crease. Now, I'm taking my LA Colors 6 color eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this green color right here and apply it on half of my cut crease. Next, I'm taking this blue shade right here and apply it on the other half of my cut crease. Next, I'm taking this creamy green shimmery color right here and apply it on top of the green color. Next, I'm taking this creamy shimmery blue color right here and apply it on top of the blue color and blend it with the green color. Next, I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mocha. I'm applying it all over my face and blend it. Next, I'm taking my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn and use it to highlight my face and blend it. Now, I'm taking my Wet n Wild banana setting powder and use it to set the areas that I concealed. Next, I'm taking my Ruby Kiss mineral powder in the color Ebony and use it to contour my face. And I'm also using it to contour my nose. Now, I'm taking my LA Colors liquid eyeliner and use it to trace a thin line on the outer corner of my eyelid. Now, I'm taking this gold color right here and apply it on my brow bones. Now, I'm taking my Wet n Wild banana setting powder and trace a line on my cheeks under the contoured areas. Now, I'm taking my Blue LA Colors jumbo eye pencil and use it to outline my bottom lash line and connect it with the top. Next, I'm taking my Scented Double Color Perfect Eye and Lip Pencil and use the darker blue shade to outline the inner part of my bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking this green color that I applied on my eyelid and pack it on top of the green pencil line. And I'm also taking this blue color that I applied on my eyelids and pack it on top of the blue eye pencil line. I'm taking this dark pink color right here and use it to smoke out the blue and green color line. Next, I'm taking the same purple color that I applied on my crease and use it to smoke out the dark pink shade line. Next, I'm taking my Ruby Kiss Matte Finish Foundation and use it to dust out the setting powders. Next, I'm taking my Klean color Miss Chic blush in the color Sunset and Tangerine and mix them and apply them on my cheeks. Next, I'm taking my Milani Fantastic Face and Body Baked Bronzer and use it to highlight my face. I'm gonna turn the lights on so you guys can see the real colors. Then I'm taking my LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in the color black and use it to outline my waterline. Now I'm taking my OA Skinny Mascara and use it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking my LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in the color Backstage and apply it all over my lips. And I also applied the shade Bazaar in the center of my lips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Photofocus setting spray and use it to set my face. And I will be right back with the final result. I love you guys. Bye.